your lectures with respect to this camp program quite help, and I actually have taken the screenshots also.
Yes.
I have taken the screenshot of the classes and I try to revise them before. Thank you so much for being with me. With respect to GS, I would like to really thank that you made my life very easy, aspirants' life very easy. You have jotted, you have given the ingredients, the basic things, basic tools, and which actually helped us in the exam. I want to thank you for that, because the current affairs and the answer writing program that we had in Waziram helped me, and that's I was also connected with you with respect to slide the discussion post test
Discussion, yes.
and that helped me to get an edge in that.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this podcast. Today in this podcast we have with us Mohit Agrawal. Mohit Agrawal has secured 281 rank in UPSC 2025. There is one more milestone which Mohit has achieved, is securing All India rank 1 in Indian Economic Services in 2025. So congratulations Mohit, we are so happy about it.
Thank you, sir.
But we would like to know how you are happy about it, because now you have two achievements in your life, right? Securing All India rank 1 in IES and finally 281 rank in UPSC. So is there any difference between as far as excitement is concerned, were you the same excited when you saw your rank in IES?
Sir, I would say both achievements were very different. As far as rank 1 is concerned, though I'm very happy with respect to the Indian Economic Service rank 1, but also at the same time, my primary goal was civil services only.
Okay.
Since the beginning, after I did my mining engineering. So getting selected into this examination particularly for me is very exciting, and I'm really happy post that, sir.
Okay. So the statement which you have just said, is it like because of the society, because society gives more importance to the UPSC and not to, because there are only few people in the society who would actually know, or who know actually what exactly is the Indian Economic Services, right? बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होता है. So from society point of view, you are saying कि नहीं UPSC is better opportunity or then as compared to IES, और ये आपका passion था मतलब?
Sir, मैं ये कहूँगा कि I have decided to appear in civil services per se. काफी पहले से ही मैंने 2018 में पहली बार appear किया था, and my primary goal was this only.
Okay.
And because of this was my primary goal. I had to take optional and I had choose economics as an optional. And with this reason, I gave Indian Economic Service examination. So that was my secondary goal, but primary goal was civil services only. So society might come because people give more than proportionate weightage to civil services exam. But both services, if we look at it, they are all group A services.
Yes.
So both are really good service. But it depends on the aptitude of the person, and I personally feel that my aptitude lies with the public dealing, working on the ground,
right,
rather than on desk jobs. So for me, civil services examination success is the primary reason that I am feeling much happier even if I got 281 this year. Okay,
that's good. And I believe even at in the family, everyone would be more than happy, right, after seeing this result in UPSC.
Yes, sir, certainly. And before that, I was a Tehsildar in Rajasthan for 4 years. So it was very good job, and they saw me doing that job. So they thought I am better suited for the field job more. So after selecting into civil services, they feel that I could be a much better use for the country, for the nation. So they are happy in that sense too.
Okay, so you was Tehsildar before that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you already have a ground level experience, I would say.
Yes, sir.
Did that help in the preparation to some extent?
I would say not much, but yes, it certainly changes your mindset. And when you write your answers, you try to write those points which are more practical, rather than theoretical answers in the mains. And I believe that boosted my score to 802 this year.
Okay, that's good. So you started this journey from 2018, right?
Yes, sir.
And total how many attempts you have given, how many interviews?
Sir, I have attempted this examination for the fifth times, and this was my fifth attempt.
Mhm.
And I have given 2 mains and 2 interviews.
2 mains and 2 interviews. Okay. And 2024 was the first interview?
Sir, I skipped that attempt. I gave interview in 2023 and now this time.
Okay. Okay. So, one important point which I still remember when you saw your result in Indian Economic Services rank 1, you messaged me, sir, I secured rank 1 in IES, right?
Yes, sir.
Though though you have no contribution as far as the subjects are concerned in IES, but you said that attitude, कि yes, the attitude which you have learned has helped you to crack this exam and secure rank 1. What was that attitude?
Sir, I will tell you one thing. In Indian Economic Service exam, there are 6 papers, 6 subjective papers in 3 days. So there is second paper which is called GS2. GS, we call it GS in Indian Economic Service, which is of 100 marks. So when I attempted that paper within 3 years, I knew that I will get the highest score. That is 61 out of 100. So after attempting the paper, I knew that I am going to secure the one of the highest score this year. So the primary
And
reason
it happened?
And it happened. And it happened. So I want to thank you for that, because this current affairs and the answer writing program that we had in Wajiram helped me, and that I was also connected with you with respect to slide the discussion post test
Yes.
and that helped me to get a edge in that.
Yes, because in answer writing, whenever I'm discussing with especially the rankers who wanted to improve the rank or who wanted to improve their score in the mains, I always talk about the attitude, the skill. ठीक है, आंसर राइटिंग हर कोई 150 वर्ड्स 250 वर्ड्स लिख ही लेता है, बट व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग बैक इन योर हेड, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. इसलिए मैंने आपसे पहला क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि वेदर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट सर्विसेज, स्टेट सर्विसेज, वेदर यू लर्न एनीथिंग और नॉट. और आपने एक पॉइंट बोला कि हाँ, कि जो मतलब प्रैक्टिकल पॉइंट्स जो होते हैं, ग्राउंड रियलिटी होती है, इट स्टार्ट्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग इन योर आंसर, राइट? जो हम लोग शायद यूपीएससी में बुक्स पढ़ते पढ़ते नहीं हाईलाइट कर पाते हैं, और एग्जामिनर वहां पे बैठे हैं, दे विल इजीली गोइंग टू कैच whether you are going to whether you are just vomiting whatever you have read or whether you are applying some logic into it. So yes, aptitude is very very important.
And sir, if I could add that I believe that mechanical approach हो जाती है, and like we try to answer administratively, legislatively, governance के point of view से देखेंगे, history देखेंगे, environment के point of view से देखेंगे, तो it's like a mechanical approach. But rather than doing that, you have the points, like as you said, you gave us like the ingredients,
Yes.
and we have to make the recipe then and there.
Yes.
But recipe also depends on the mindset you had.
Yes.
So my mindset transformed because of the job I had, and I could use those ingredients according to the need of the actual question, the
Yes.
real question in the
Yes.
exam.
Yes. So basically you are emphasizing more on the process of thinking.
Yes.
Process of thinking, है ना? जैसे कि for example, if I ask you a very simple question, discuss the significance of Lokpal, right, in the democracy, or Lokayukt in the democracy, then people will start thinking whatever they have read, कि इसके like what would be the social impact, right, economic impact, right, or impact
yes.
on the vulnerable section,
Yes.
or impact on the institution. They will start thinking it like that. But no one is going to think practically how the Lokpal actually works,
Yes.
function. That is the base. जो चीज मिसिंग है. क्यों मिसिंग है? क्योंकि हम लोग प्रोसेस के ऊपर फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं.
The institutional architecture might be weak,
Yes.
and because of that, the entire system is being is crippling.
Yes.
So first we have to identify what are the issues, the main issues behind behind not functioning of any institution or
Yes.
per se.
हाँ.
So that kind of mindset I believe worked, but I would say कि both the things are required. My mindset because I did my job in the field, I could understand many things, but sometimes students also required the broader understanding of the subject and broader tools in their hands. So for that, I believe your lectures with respect to this camp program quite help, and I actually have taken the screenshots also.
Yes.
I have taken the screenshot of the classes, and I try to revise them before.
Yes, in camp we used to discuss only the framework, and the thought process, वो मैंने पहली क्लास में बता दिया था कि we are not going to discuss the model answer.
Yes.
ये चीज क्योंकि मॉडल आंसर है आपके पास, अब वही चीज मैं पढ़ के बता रहा हूँ, what is the point, right?
Yes.
तो कैंप में कैंप क्या इनफैक्ट इन ऑल द प्रोग्राम्स,
Yes, yes.
राइट, शोर शॉट हो गया, कैंप हो गया, वी आर डिस्कसिंग, वी आर फॉलोइंग द सेम मॉडल्स, वी आर एम्फसाइजिंग मोर ऑन द स्किल डेवलपमेंट, लाइक हाउ टू वर्क ऑन द क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस, आप क्वेश्चन को समझ कैसे रहे हो, इंटेंट क्या एग्जामिनर की, how to think about the logical generation of the point and all, उसी के ऊपर हम लोग काम कर ही रहे हैं, right? So any plan for further attempts? मोहित, कब क्या प्लान है?
सर अभी तो प्लान नहीं किया, बट यस आई विल certainly write this year or next year.
अच्छा, अभी डिसाइड ये नहीं हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think, what would be did you identify like where are the gaps in your preparation?
Yes,
कहाँ,
sir.
what are those areas जहाँ पे आप काम कर मतलब you will try to improve?
Sir, I could identify this year I improved upon GS, so major lacunas lies in essay, because
हाँ.
I am consistently scoring very less in that, and optional I could have scored much more, but I know that I can fix that, but essay portion with respect to the mains examination I would like to fix, and second the interview I would like to prepare more on that.
Okay, did we have any discussion on essay? Because GS के तो काफी डिस्कस हुए हैं हम लोग के, ऐसे का भी हम लोग का डिस्कस हुआ था कुछ कभी?
सर ऐसे पे डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ था,
मैंने ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशंस लिए थे, आई थिंक कुछ.
You took brainstorming section, but it was actually the last phase, and I was focusing more on revision, so I ignored those lessons. I think that backfired me.
Yes, हाँ, मैंने ऐसे के लिए 4-5 सेशंस लिए थे, and even ethics के लिए I have to.
Yes, and ethics I have attended, and my score boosted from 88 to 122 this year. So
okay,
in ethics.
That's good.
Yeah.
So I think apart from this, all this academic stuff, right? Mohit, is there any particular attitude you think which is very, very important or vital to clear this exam or become a civil servant? Forget about the academic stuff. I'm talking about the attitude, your thought process, the skill, not academic skills. So what do you think?
Both the academic is required,
Yes,
but also
yes.
the interpersonal skills are very required. Like I will say about myself, I'm from a very humble background, rural background. So we did not have any confidence in ourselves.
Yes.
तो मुझे लगता है कि बेसिक चीज़ जो है ना इंसान के लिए, दैट कॉन्फिडेंस खुद के अंदर होना चाहिए, क्यूरियोसिटी खुद के अंदर होनी चाहिए कि यू वांट टू नो द थिंग्स दैट आर अराउंड यू. तो एंड यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट. एक लैंग्वेज पे कमांड होना चाहिए, वेदर हिंदी और इंग्लिश, how to write, how to speak. Such kind of basic ingredients are needed before you jump into this examination. Otherwise, what will happen? You will continue study 15 घंटे पढ़ोगे, but still you will not be able to replicate whatever it is in your mind to in the actual copy or to the person.
Right.
And I think that backfires. So first these ingredients are very required, and then we can jump into the preparation, and it makes our life very easy. Like for example, in my case, my English was very weak. I could not barely speak Hindi. तो इंग्लिश तो बहुत दूर की बात थी. तो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इंग्लिश, एंड इट टुक मी 3-4 years. I started reading newspapers.
Okay.
And newspapers I I take down the vocabularies which are in newspaper. I try to use in my daily conversations. I tried a lot. एक डायरी भी बनाई थी, and I used to do it. तो उसके बाद मुझे धीरे धीरे कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगा. आई वाज फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम. आई स्विच्ड दैट.
You have done like schooling from Hindi medium?
Yeah, pure Hindi medium, and no knowledge of English, very little. So
Okay.
I switched from that background, so it took me efforts. So for every person the journey could be very different.
Yes.
Like for me, I had to work upon my confidence, my language skills,
Yes.
my writing skills. Then only I could think of civil services examination.
Okay, so I would say आपने सबसे पहले you have made it sure कि मैं पहले अपनी personality को develop करूँ to become a civil servant.
Yes.
That is the reason you started focusing on the communication skill, reading skill, right? जैसे like coming from the Hindi background and attempting in English medium is बहुत काफ़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी होगी, आई एम श्योर.
यस सर, इट वाज अ वेरी. और ऑप्शनल का भी, जैसे मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि इन सिविल सर्विस ऑप्शनल भी लेना होता है, और ऑप्शनल इज क्वाइट अ गेम चेंजर.
राइट.
सो आई टू चूज ऑप्शनल, एंड आई एम फ्रॉम engineering background, so it was very difficult for me, either mathematics or something. So I chose economics after some deliberation. Even in market there were many other optionals which were favorite,
right,
of the students. So economics as an optional took me 3-4 years again. So to understand, to learn, to get the hang of it, the philosophy of it.
Okay,
So,
I thought you have done graduation in economics and that is it.
Sir, I'm a mining engineer. I'm a graduate from Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad.
Okay.
And for some time I did also job in mining engineering, and then I
Okay,
switched.
okay. And then you switched to
Yes,
on
yes,
economics.
yes. So my point is, it might take time, but this exam is a process for me.
Yes.
It transformed me as a person. कोई अगर ये सोच के आ रहा है कि 2 अटेम्प्ट में हो जाना चाहिए, तो it depends on the person. Like
Right.
in my case, it took me efforts, but in the process, I also learned many things.
Many things. It's
Yes.
not only about clearing the exam. You
Yes.
changed your entire personality, I would say.
Yes, sir.
How you look at the things.
Yes.
And सबसे बड़ा जो मैं आपको बताऊं, मोहित, इस पूरे प्रोसेस में, though you have become a very, you have secured a rank, इनसे सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो मैं आपकी जर्नी में देख पा रहा हूँ कि what you have learned in your life is to accept the challenges. आप चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करना सीख गए हो कि ठीक है, मुझे ये चैलेंजेस का मतलब इट्स नॉट कि एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करना है तो पढ़ाई एक चैलेंज है, उसके अलावा यू आर लुकिंग एट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? जैसे आपने बोला कि पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करनी है, रीडिंग स्किल, राइट? देन उस मीडियम, हिंदी मीडियम से इंग्लिश मीडियम में अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना, तो आप एक तरीके से, नाउ आई एम श्योर कि इन द फ्यूचर यू विल नॉट हेजिटेट when it comes to accepting a new challenges or new task in your life.
Certainly, sir. And मैं आपको बताता हूँ, I was very average student in my school. मैंने कभी टॉप नहीं किया. I used to be among more, मतलब my rank में बैक बेंचर तो नहीं बोलूँगा, पर एक पढ़ने में भी अच्छा नहीं था, तो 5-6 के ऊपर ही रैंक आती थी स्कूल में भी. तो बट व्हेन आई थॉट कि यस आई वांट टू अचीव अ गोल, सो मुझे कई चीज़ों पे वर्क करना था. जैसे मैंने कई चीज़ें बताई हैं, लैंग्वेज की स्किल्स, कॉन्फिडेंस पे काम करना है, लिखने पे काम करना है. एट द सेम टाइम हार्ड वर्क पे भी. आई वाज नॉट हार्ड वर्किंग एट ऑल. तो मुझसे 1 घंटे कोई बैठने के लिए कहते तो मेरा ध्यान कहीं और भटकने लग जाता था, पढ़ने नहीं. तो बट आई डेवलप दैट हैंग कि 5 घंटे में एक साथ एक बार बैठ सकूँ. इट टुक मी टाइम. तो These are the, इनफैक्ट सिविल सर्विसेज में आप जानते हैं कि सुबह शाम आपको पेपर लिखने हैं, एंड आपके अंदर 4 घंटे की 3-3.5-4 घंटे की बैठने की हिम्मत होनी चाहिए,
राइट?
तो फॉर दैट वर्क ऑन दीज थिंग्स.
यस,
फोकस करना किस तरह से. तो आई ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस विपासना मेडिटेशन टू इंक्रीज माई फोकस. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स हेल्प. एंड अल्टीमेटली एक एग्जाम क्लियर हुआ है, ये कोई बहुत बड़ी तोप नहीं कर दी है, बट इस प्रोसेस में इतना कुछ सीखने को मिला है. सर, आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल.
दैट इज बिगर, आई थिंक, biggest achievement, that you have learned lot of things.
Yes.
And the biggest thing is, yes, now you are ready to accept any challenge in the life, I would say.
And मुझे लगता है जॉब में भी यही होगा कि we have to learn new things on the job,
on a daily basis.
on the job training होती है.
Yes, you will get the opportunity to learn lot of things.
Yes, sir.
और वहाँ तो हाँ, maybe for first few months you may have to go through the books, theoretical knowledge, but एक बार when you get posting, then you have to learn from the practical things only.
जी सर.
Right? तो वहाँ पे जो आप ये सब सीखे हो, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा काम आएगा फिर, maybe, right?
सर, इट हेल्प मी एक्चुअली. जॉब में भी मुझे ये चीज़ें हेल्प करती हैं. हार्ड वर्किंग, व्हेन आई सी माय डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर इज वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड, रात को 12 बजे तक ऑफिस में बैठे हुए हैं, तो आई ऑल्सो गेट कॉन्फिडेंस भाई कि इस तरह से यू हैव टू वर्क. अभी इट्स, और मुझे ये लगता है कि एग्जाम का हमने जो पढ़ाई करी है, इट्स जस्ट अ ट्रेनिंग पार्ट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है काम आपकी जब पोस्टिंग हो जाएगी तो आपको और ज़्यादा वर्क करना पड़ेगा. पढ़ने से भी ज़्यादा मेहनत है वहाँ पर. तो
बिल्कुल. रियलिटी तो वही है. प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज तो, प्रैक्टिकल तो वहीं पे होने वाले हैं.
जी सर.
अभी तो हम खाली थ्योरी पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट नाउ वी आर जस्ट रीडिंग व्हाट आर एथिकल डायलेमास. देयर वी आर गोइंग टू फेस द एथिकल डायलेमास,
यस सर,
एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन राइट देन एंड देयर, हाउ टू डील विद इट. और वहाँ तो डेली लाइफ में, पर्सनल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, हर जगह डायलेमास ही होंगे.
जी सर.
यहाँ पे हम खाली 5 डायलेमा लिख नहीं पाते हैं. वहाँ 50 डायलेमा खड़े हो जाएंगे आपके सामने आकर.
तो सर, एक चीज और मैं पॉइंट आउट करना चाहूँगा. आई एम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, बट in this process you also learn how to take decisions. Like when I failed in 2023 civil services attempt, I could not qualify. I appeared in the interview, but I took that conscious decision that there are some basic ingredient problems with respect to my mains examination, and I had to work on that. And if I go again, then I will go, might we go to the interview again, and then I will again fail. So you have to make conscious decision कि yes, I have to work upon these things, and it will take certain time. Yes. And then I believe that mindset, that understanding कि when to say no or when to
When
say
to say
yes,
yes.
that also matters.
Decision making
Yes.
is very very crucial. Don't
Yes.
rush for anything.
Yes.
That is your important advice for everyone. Yes, क्योंकि इस साल भी बहुत लोग डायलेमा में हैं, क्योंकि अब
ही
रूल
attempt-
चेंज हुआ है,
जी सर।
एक ही अटेम्प्ट दे सकते हो आप, है ना. बट सम स्टूडेंट्स आर कंफ्यूज्ड, यार चलो फ्लो में दे देते हैं. अब हर कोई यही क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि सर दूं या ना दूं. अब सपोज अगर आपको ही है, नाउ यू आर 281 रैंक, राइट, तो यू जस्ट नीड हाउ मेनी मार्क्स? 30-40 marks, I guess. 40 marks.
40 marks I will get top. हाँ मतलब it's very good rank.
It's very good rank?
Very good rank.
अब 40 marks के लिए just imagine either you wait for one entire year, right, or either you give the attempt in 2026. अब यहाँ पे ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. This is the time when your decision making skill will come into the picture.
Yes. It's your choice. It's your exam. It should be your choice.
Your
only.
choice, right? I can only assess, I can only guess कि यार ठीक है आप दे दो इस साल. But I think for those students who have secured the rank this year and looking for the improvement, right? So I would say take your decision after assessing yourself. And I'm not saying academic assessment, but personality assessment, mindset का assessment करो कि whether you will be able to overcome the problem which you might have faced in the 2025 attempt, वो चीज़ overcome हो पाएगी कि नहीं. सबसे पहले तो assessment करो कि problem है कहाँ पे, because we also have to analyze the cost benefit analysis कि मैं ऑप्शनल में ज़्यादा टाइम दूंगा, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा स्कोर बूस्ट होने के चांस है, या एसए में कम टाइम दे के ज़्यादा मार्क्स बूस्ट कर सकता हूँ, राइट. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आई थिंक वी हैव टू असेस. यस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Right, so I think this is all for today, and again I thank you, Mohit, to be here with us. It's our pleasure. We are so proud of you that finally you made it to the list, and we hope in 2026 or 2027, whenever you are going to give the attempt, we would like to see you in top 20.
Sir.
Right, and if there will be anything, we are always there.
Yes, thank you so much for being with me. With respect to GS, I would like to really thank that you made my life very easy, aspirants' life very easy. You have you have given the ingredients, the basic things, basic tools, and which actually helped us in the exam. And it was very alluring also. During exam we felt that we are writing something different.
Yes.
So that in that sense also, sir, thank you so much. It was well researched whatever you did in that program.
Thank you,
Can
Mohit. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We are going to launch the same thing again, and we will try our best to give everything whatever possible from our side. Okay.
थोड़ा क्वेश्चन थोड़ा इजी बनाया है सर, वो काफी डिफिकल्ट से लगने लग जाते हैं कई बार कि काफी भारी क्वेश्चन था.
I'll take that into the consideration. But tough question last में बनाते हैं.
हाँ, थोड़ा बाद लेटर सीरीज
हाँ.
में नहीं, कभी लगता है कि यार कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है, तो थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है.
नहीं, we will take care of it. Don't worry. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and we'll connect it with. There are so many rankers, so I'll come on the podcast again. Thank you so much.